Welcome to this edition of BurnTech University, presented by United States Stove Company. Always refer to your owner's manual for maintenance and operational guidelines. This video is for informational purposes only. If you are unsure about replacing any of the components on this stove, we recommend having a certified electrician or stove technician do this for you. In today's video, we will show you how to properly install the 80798 magnetic IR sensor and the 80780 remote control. This IR sensor allows you to control your King pellet stove using a remote control. Your stove's control board will need to be updated to the 80778 control board in order to accept the IR sensor and be controlled remotely. For this replacement, you will need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. 1. Before you begin, allow the stove to go through the shutdown process. Once it's cool and all the components have turned off, unplug the stove. 2. Locate the side panel housing the control board. Loosen and remove the 3 screws that hold it in place. 3. Set the panel aside carefully so that you do not damage any connectors on the back of the control board. 4. Feed the connector end for the IR sensor through an opening in the rear access panel. 5. Plug the IR sensor into the corresponding outlet on the control board. 6. Replace the side panel. Make sure any connectors that came unplugged are reconnected. 7. Reinsert the 3 screws that hold the side panel in place. 8. Pull the IR sensor wire through the rear access panel so that there is no slack left in the back of the stove. 9. Position the IR sensor on the top of the stove. It will need to be attached near the front of the stove so that it will detect signals from the remote control. 10. Plug the stove back in, press the on button, and check for proper operation. The remote control can be used to turn the stove on or off and will allow you to adjust the heat level once the stove has completed the startup phase. Once again, this video is for informational purposes only. We strongly recommend a certified electrician or stove technician do any repairs for you. If you need further assistance or have any questions, please visit us at www.usstove.com or give us a call at 1-800-750-2723.